Hi, Olivia. Do you want to do a fire?
Yeah, Dad.
Okay, follow me. Cut wood right here. Are you ready to help carry the wood?
Yeah.
Olivia, what are you carrying?
The starter wood.
Starter wood? Awesome, let's go. Remember, you always have to do this with Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, Olivia, give me some wood. Thank you. More. Okay, Olivia, I need that stick. Thank you.
Got to play.
What's the surprise?
This.
What?
Later.
Thank you. Now remember, only daddies and mommies can do this, okay?
Got to play, Dad.
What's the surprise, Olivia? Oh, a marker cap?
Yeah.
What color is that?
Blue.
¿Y en español?
Azul.
Thank you, Olivia. Olivia, the fire's looking good. But we need some more wood. You want to go with me?
We melt the mushrooms.
Olivia, what do you think about our fire?
Good.
It's good?